Hi guys, welcome to Shark and Cook. Today we are making a yummy pumpkin chocolate chip cookie. So if you want to make something a little bit different than your usual chocolate chip cookie, try this recipe. So let's get started. In a medium-sized bowl, you want to add 2 and 1/4 cups or 270 grams all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Whisk that together and make sure it's all incorporated. Set that aside. In a large bowl, we're going to add 1 cup or 2 sticks of butter that's been softened, 3 cups of packed brown sugar or 160 grams, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar or 100 grams. Now beat together in a hand mixer with medium's high speed. Start out slow and then speed it up. You want to beat it till it's light and fluffy. Okay, that's good. Now add 1 egg, 3/4 cup of pumpkin puree. Not the pumpkin pie filling, it has to be pumpkin puree. And then 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Beat that all together. You want to take your spatula and get the sides mixed down into the pumpkin mixture. Okay, once that's mixed, you want to add your dry ingredients. And beat on low speed. You want to make sure all the flour is incorporated. Take your spatula and wipe down the sides. get that flour that's hanging up there on the edges. Now just blend it a little bit more. Okay, looks pretty good. All the flour looks pretty well incorporated. Now get your chocolate chips. You'll need 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. And just fold them in. Okay, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. And while you're doing that, preheat your oven to 375 or 109 degrees Celsius. See you in 30. Now you want to prepare your cookie sheet. You want to line it with a Silpat or parchment paper. Scoop the dough onto the sheet. Want them about 2 inches apart. This dough really smells good. You can smell the pumpkin in it. Okay, now I'm taking some extra chocolate chips. They're semi-sweet chocolate chips that I used. And I'm just placing them on top of the cookie dough. You don't have to do this, but I just decided to make it look a little nicer. Now you're going to bake these at 375 until they're puffed and the edges are golden brown. That'll be about anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes. Check at 10 minutes. And then pull them out if they're done. I don't like to overbake mine. Okay, I'm going to put it in the oven for at least 10 to 12 minutes. I'll check at 10. Okay, it's been 10.5 minutes. And they're puffy and golden brown around the edges at the bottom. So I took them out at 10.5 minutes and I'm satisfied with that. I don't want to leave them in any longer. I like a more softer cookie. So then after they sit here for 2 minutes, I'm going to transfer them to this wire rack and let them cool completely. In the meantime, I'm going to do the rest of my cookies on another cookie sheet. If this is the first time watching my video, let me know down in the comments below. I really would appreciate it. These cookies are so tender. Really, really tender and moist inside. So I really hope you give these a try. That is really good. Really good. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and I'll see you at my next one. Bye.